Week 8, lesson 5. Okay, so for this particular lesson, I'm going to do some of the problems from the worksheet, right? So there isn't really a separate note sheet from the worksheet. It's all sort of the same. I'm just going to do a couple here and there, and then you'll finish the rest of it and turn it all in. So on the first page here, if you've printed this out or if you're looking at it on your screen, there are 9 different parent graphs that you're looking at, okay? 9 of them, and they have some really nice ordered pairs indicated on them. Again, I would consider these to be the very stripped down versions of your graphs. And then on the next page, you're going to see that you're going to be asked to graph them. They're going to have sort of the same shape. They're just going to be in a different location, right? Or they may be stretched, or they may be compressed, or they may be reflected. So let me move it up and show you what I mean. So for example, if you take a look at number 1, okay, I know what the shape of this is. The shape of this is a parabola, right? It looks pretty much like this in general. It's a horrible picture. But this one has been moved to the right 1, and up 2. Right 1 because of the stuff inside the parentheses, and up 2 because of what's over here. So if you look back over here, you just have to take all these ordered pairs, all these ordered pairs, move them right 1 and up 2, and we should be able to get a really nice picture. So let me see, move it right 1 up 2. I think that's going to be my vertex. There's a couple more ordered pairs, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is what your picture should look like. All right, so on every one of these, all you really have to do is figure out what's been done to the original graph. Okay, so let me do one more. I don't know, this one, number 8. Okay, now I know what this looks like originally, right? The original graph is this one. Right? It looks like a V, a very nice simple V, right? With its vertex at the origin. So for this one, number 8, that I'm going to do, all I have to do is move it up 2 units. So here's my vertex now, and along with all these ordered pairs. And again, I'm hoping your picture looks so much more, clean and straight than mine does. All right, now if you look at the next page, right, there's a bunch of these, right? Some of these have more transformations than others, but you're just going to graph them. They should all fit nicely. Now down here, this one's asking you to, given the picture, write down what the equation is and state the domain and the range. Okay, so let me do at least one of these. Maybe I'll do number 21. No, actually, I'm not going to do 21, mostly because we already did an absolute value. So let's do this line. Do I want to do the line? Yeah, let's do the line. Okay, so the equation of this line, it looks like it's been moved up 1, right? It's been moved up 1. So that's the original equation of the line, and it's been moved up 1, right? The slope hasn't changed or anything. The domain, right, this goes forever left and right. So the domain goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. All right, and because it also goes up and down forever, the range is also from negative infinity to positive infinity. Actually, maybe I'll go ahead and do this parabola right next to it. Okay, so this is a parabola, but it has been moved to the right 1, 2, 3, and it just has also been moved up 1. Okay, so let's see, right 3 looks like this in the parentheses, and then up 1. Okay, the domain, again, we're looking left and right. I can go as far left as I want. I can go as far to the right as I want. But the range, this does have a minimum point, right? The minimum is right here at 1, inclusive. All right, so there's that. And let's see if there's anything else on this worksheet I need you to do. I think this is it. That's pretty much the main topic.